Hello, good evening, everyone. Okay. Hello, everyone. A very good evening to all of you. Those who have joined the live session, kindly drop a hi in the chat box. Let's see who have joined till now. Yes, please drop a message in the chat in the comment section. So today we will be learning a very interesting and very new thing, metaverse. Hi, good evening, Akshay. How are you? Yes, everyone, quickly join the session. Hello, Kashvi. Okay. Okay. So today we will be learning a bit about metaverse, virtual reality. What is metaverse? What is virtual reality? We are using these words. Like we can see these words daily. Okay, like on different platforms, you can see metaverse, virtual reality. You might play games also in virtual reality. But what is virtual reality? What is metaverse? Let's ask the questions from audience first. Drop your answers in the comment section. Let's see how many of you know about metaverse and virtual reality. Quickly drop your messages in the comment section. Write your answers in the comment section. Let's see how many of you know about metaverse. I'm waiting for your answers. Okay. So see, metaverse is just a virtual environment. It's a virtual world that mimics your physical world. Like whatever you see in your surroundings, you can mimic that thing in metaverse, in virtual reality. That's why we are calling it as virtual reality. That thing is actually there, but it is virtually now. It is present in reality also, but we have replicated that thing in virtual environment or in a virtual world. So we are calling it as virtual reality. So metaverse is basically a combination of virtual reality, augmented reality, and okay. Oh, okay. Akshay is writing the answer. Metaverse is network of 3D worlds focused on social connections. Yes, we can say that. So basically, what we do in metaverse, we designed our like your physical environment. Okay, and you while sitting in your home you can visit the another place. Okay, like suppose you are sitting in your home and you can visit different places in Dubai, so you can enjoy the you can say vacation in Dubai while sitting at your home. You can enjoy a marriage function while sitting at your home. So we can design these kind of platforms in metaverse. So basically, if someone asks you what is metaverse, metaverse is simply a physical. It's a virtual world, okay, which is designed on internet using AI. Okay, so you can see this metaverse world on a device where which is having internet connection. So let's not waste more time. Let's not make this session boring for you guys, and we will quickly move on to our project for today. So today we will be designing a rocket launch in a 3D environment. Okay, so I hope you guys remember how to design a 3D, a 3D rocket. In our like previous sessions, we have designed a rocket on Tinkercad. So today we will be launching such a rocket into the space using metaverse and this virtual reality. So let's not waste more time. I am sharing a link in the comment section. Copy that link and open in your browser. Okay, let me share my screen also. I have shared the link in the comment section. Okay, so yeah, open the link shared in the comment section. I hope everyone is able to use the link and all of you are on the same page. All of you have opened the link. Just give me a thumbs up in comment section if you are on the same page, if you have opened this the link which I have shared. Quickly drop a thumbs up. Then we will quickly start with today's project. Okay. Okay. Now see what we will be doing today. So what is the task for today? So I hope you guys can see a rocket on your screen. So we have to control this rocket with our keys on the keyboard. So for now, we will be using our arrow keys to control this keyboard, and we will be launching it in the solar system into our space. Okay, so seems interesting? Just give me a thumbs up if you find it interesting. Let's see how many of you are present in the session. Just drop a message in the comment section quickly. Okay. So let's move on to our project for today. So now the first task which we have to do is I want, okay, just give me a second. Yeah, okay. So see, we want this rocket to move upward. So first of all, we will find for a block which will make our rocket move upward. So see, this is the environment where we will be writing the code. So this is our script area where in this area we will be writing the script. And then on the left hand side, this is our toolbox. There are some built-in blocks and some are like these blocks will be varied upon your components. Like if you right now we have a rocket, so we will be having blocks related to rocket. If you will be adding something else, so some another design you are adding, so it will be having blocks for that particular component. Okay, so now see, first of all, we want this rocket to move upward. So on the in the toolbox, see there is a written rocket ship. Click on that rocket ship. Click on the rocket ship and drag out a block. Rocket ship move forward for 5 meters. Move forward for 5 meters. So now here, we don't want our rocket to move forward. We want it to move upward. So click on this move forward and select move up from here. Okay. Now see, if I will click on this button, this green play button is used to check the code which I am doing is right, whether it is right or not. Okay, so right now nothing is happening. Okay, so like I hope most of you have worked on Scratch or MIT App Inventor and another platforms. So whenever we start a project, we have to give initiation block which will start our project. So here also we have to give that when we will be clicking on this play button, only then our rocket will move up. So go to the events palette and from here I will take when this green play button clicked, then my rocket ship have to move upwards. Only then my rocket ship have to move upwards. Now let's see if my rocket ship is moving upwards or not. Okay, so yeah, it is moving upwards, but it has moved for 5 meters only. Okay, let's add one more block. Rocket ship move up for 5 meters. Let's add it. Let's add 4 such blocks. I will just duplicate it, and from here, reload your scene and then click on the play button. Okay, now see. Now see, this is the fun of this platform. You can scroll your playing area, or you can say your this stage area where you can see where your sprite or your character is moving. You can actually see the 3D view of your stage area. Now see, my rocket ship moved for 20 meters, like 5, 5, 5, 20 meters, and then it is stopped over here. So let's reload it. Now see, we don't have to move it for 20 meters only. So like I wanted to keep on moving. Okay, so which block can we use to make my rocket ship move continuously? Drop your answers in the comment section. Let's see. Let's see who will give me the right answer. Quickly write your answers in the comment section. I'm waiting for your answers. We have to make this rocket ship move upwards continuously. Forever, very good. So we have one answer, forever. Okay, now see. First of all, we will delete these 3 blocks. Just right click on it and delete the blocks. Okay, now forever. Forever is kind of a loop. Loop means if we will put something inside that block, it will repeat the thing continuously. So for that, we will come onto this loops and timer section, and we will take this forever and place it over here, and then put this block rocket ship move up for 5 meters. Okay, now let's click on that play button again. Let's see what will happen now. I hope you all of you have done till this point. So check your scene with me. Let's click on the play button now. Okay, okay. It's keep on moving, going upwards. Okay, still it's I can see it. Okay, here it is. Okay, it is disappearing stars now. So my rocket ship is going upward. If we will be using this forever loop. Okay, let's reload our scene and move back to the coding area. Just drop a message if you guys have done. I hope all of you have done till this point. If you are having any doubt, just write your questions in the comment section. We will be answering your queries. Okay, now see, the next thing is, so whenever a rocket ship moves upward, it emits some gases, it emits some fire. Okay, so if we are working with virtual reality, then our project should look like something real. When our rocket ship is moving upward, it should also emit the gases that fire. Okay, so when the fuel is burned, it emits the fire. So let's try to add that thing. Okay, now see, over here in the toolbox, just below the rocket ship, we have this particle system. Particle system. Now, what you have to do is, in the particle system, scroll down your screen, and in actions, we have particle system, turn the emitter on. Emitter means whatever emissions it is, like gases it is emitting, or the fire it is emitting when the rocket ship is like the fuel is burned in the rocket ship to launch it in the solar system. Okay, so that is your emitter. Now we will make it add over here. Let's add it over here. Just a second. Oh, not over here. Just, yeah, like this. Yeah. Now let's click on the green button, that play button, and see what change it will bring. Okay, so it is looking like, yeah, that rocket, actually we are launching a rocket in the solar system. So I can still see that fire. Now it is looking like a star. So let's bring it back. Let's reload our scene. Yeah. I hope every one of you is able to find that blog. Just drop a message in the comment section if you have done. Yes, everyone, drop a message. If you are having any doubt, you can also ask your doubts in the comment section. Okay. So I hope everything is clear to all of you till now. Let's move on to the next step. Now, see, our rocket ship is just keep on moving upwards and upwards. So it is virtual reality. So we will add few things on our own. Now, what we will be doing is we have to write a code for, let's say, I want to stop my rocket in between. Because I told you in the beginning, we will be controlling this rocket with our keys of our keyboard. Okay, so what we have to do now, if I want my rocket ship to stop whenever I press the space key on my keyboard. Okay, so any ideas how we can do this thing? Uh, Akshay, you can't zoom the playing area because this is a 3D thing, so you can't zoom it. But yeah, what you can do is you can see this thing in your phone also. That part I will tell you in the later part. Let's first complete the code. Then I will tell you how you can open this complete project on your phone also. So you can actually see the 3D thing in your phone screen. Okay, and if you guys are having that virtual reality VR glasses, that is again a very, you can say it will be a good experience for you to open it in your phone and attach your phone with your VR glasses and see your rocket launching into the space. Okay. Okay, any other query? Are we good? Okay, so I have one answer. If the space key is pressed, stop all. Okay, let's try it. Let's see if it happens or if we have to do something else to stop our rocket. Okay, let's move on to the coding area again. Okay, first of all, before before stopping the robot, I want to control the speed of my robot also. Rocket also. So, to control the speed, we have to use the variables. So now the thing is, what are these variables? So yes, come on, drop the answers in the comment section. What are variables? Okay, now see, variable is something which can store your value. Okay, and that value can keep on changing. So now we will be using this variable to control the speed of my rocket ship. So in your toolbox, we have the variables option. Click on the variable, then click on create a variable and write here speed, and then click on create. Okay. Now, first of all, we will set our variable speed. Let's say, okay, so now for this, again, come to the toolbox and take out this math. From here, take this number and write here, let's say any number you can write. I want it to be 2. Click on it and write 2. So my variable speed is, so the value of my variable speed is set to 2 right now. But over here, my rocket ship is still moving for 5 meters. Okay, so now what we will do here, I will go to the variable again and put this variable over here. Now, Just delete this file. Yeah. Now, whatever value I will write here, my rocket ship will be moving upwards with that particular speed. Okay. So let's say right now the variable speed, the value of variable is 2. Let's see. Okay. So it is moving this much fast. Let's reduce this volume. Let's try with 0.5. Reload. Now I will try with 0.5. See. Now I have reduced the value of variable, but my rocket ship speed is reduced now. Why? Because we are controlling the speed of rocket ship with this variable speed. Okay, so you can try with any value. You can write, you can add your values. That's totally upon you guys. Okay, now let's move on to the next step. So now my let's just reload it. Now rocket ship is moving upwards, ammeter is on, and variable, sorry, the speed is set. Now the thing is how we can stop our rocket. For this, we will again come to the events palette, and from here we will take when space key pressed. So see, be careful while taking this block. So we are having two space key blocks. One is when space key released and another is when space key pressed. So take the block carefully. We have to use when space key is pressed. Okay, so take out the block. Okay, when space key is pressed, now I want it to stop my rocket. Okay, so try. So I want you guys to write the answer. Which block can we use to stop its movement? How can we stop the rocket ship? Let's see. How many of you will be able to give the right answer? Quickly write your answers in the comment section. Yes. Let's see if we have any answer. Stop all. Okay. Okay. Can you find a block stop all? Let's see if we can find such block stop all. Where we can find it? Let's say in logics. I am not having any such block, Akshay. Let's see. Let's wait for few more answers. What else can we use to stop our rocket ship? Yes. Okay. So see, we are controlling speed of our rocket ship with our variable. So we will just set the value of variable to 0. Go to the variable and take out the block set variable speed, and from maths take the number and set it to 0. Okay, let's see what will happen. Let's first click on the play button. Okay, it's moving upward. Now let's press the space key. Okay, it is stopped. Okay, but do you think there is something wrong in this one? Let's see how many of you can find a mistake in this one. Is there any mistake in this? Hmm. Yes, quickly tell me if there is something wrong in this scene or if it is fine. Okay, now see what we have done here. Like when the play button will be clicked, our rocket ship is moving upward. And when we will press the space key, our rocket ship will stop at that point. But our rocket ship is stopped, but it is still emitting the fire. It is still emitting the gases. How is it possible when my rocket ship is stopped? So now what we will do here, we will go to the particle system again, And from the actions, we will take particle system turn emitter off. Let's try it now. Let's click on the screen play button. Let's press the space key. Okay. Now see, with this, when I click the space key, my rocket ship is stopped, and also the emitter is off now. Okay. Yeah, it will come back to Earth after stopping, but that will happen if we will make it move backward. Okay. We have not made it move backward. We are just making it stop at the point where it is till now. Okay, the mistake was okay, we have to turn off the emitter in that. Okay. Now let's control it more. Now I have stopped it. Now my rocket ship is standing in between. So now what I want is I want it to move upward with my up arrow key. Okay, let's move on to that part now. So again, go to the events and I will take out the block when space key is pressed. And from here, I will take when up arrow key press. When up arrow key is pressed. Now, here what we will do, when up arrow key is pressed, simple, just go to the variables and take set variable speed to, let's say, now we will try with some different value. For that, I go to maths and take, let's say, let's try 1.5. Okay, and don't forget to turn on the emitter because we have turned off the emitter when the space key will be pressed. So go to the particle system, in the actions, take particle system, turn emitter on. Okay, let's try it again. Reload and click the play button. It is moving upward. Press the space key, it is stopped. Now I will try with the up arrow. Okay, now see, this speed is increased. Okay, press the space key, it is stopped over there. Press the up arrow, it start moving again. Okay, now see. Now the next thing is, what I wanted to do is, I wanted to keep, I wanted to move backward also. Okay, I wanted to move backward also. Now how we will make it move backward? So it's again, just take from the events, take when space key pressed, and then go to the variables and take set variable speed to minus 1.5 because right now we have to bring it downwards. So earlier it was moving upwards. Okay, we are working in y-axis right now because we are just move upward and backward. So whenever you have to move upwards, we change the value of y in positive, and when we have to move negative, we have to change it in negative. Okay, now again, yeah, don't forget to turn on the emitter. It is still moving, so that's why the emitter will be on only. Add it over here. Let's try it. Click on the play button. Okay, it is slowly moving because here I have set the value only 0.5. Okay, now I will press the up arrow. It start moving fastly. Okay. See, I have made the mistake. I have not changed space key into down arrow. Yeah, let's see where it is. Let's reload our scene. Click on the play button again. It's moving upward. Press the up arrow. With space key, it will be stopped. And with the down arrow, we can bring it backward also. Okay, don't think it stopped over here automatically. I have pressed the space key when it reaches the surface of Earth. Okay, so just write your answers in the comment section if you guys have done till this point or not. Quickly tell me if you guys have done it or not. Let's see if we have any question in this. Okay, so there is one question. What is enable notch? So let me just show you what will happen with the enable notch. Let's take out some another block. Right now, this block is a event block. Okay, when this scene loads, then it has to happen. If I will do it enable notch, then we can place this block in a loop, or like over here I can add it. Okay, so you can use this block in two ways. If I will enable the notch, you can place it below any another block. But if I will disable the notch, so it will be your event block, your initiator block. Okay, I hope your doubt is clear, Akshay. Okay, so we have make our rocket ship move upward. Then we turn on the emitter. We have controlled its speed using the variable. Then we have used our keys to stop it and to make it move upward and backward. Okay. Now we are talking about virtual reality and all those things, but how can we experience virtual reality on a computer screen? So you don't have to worry about that. Wait. Now what you have to do is, on the right corner of your screen, you might see that login option. Okay, click on that login option, login into your account, whatever account you want to use, just login into that. Okay, so I am using my Google account to log in. Okay, so after logging into your screen, you will get here option create new project, share project, my projects, community logout. Okay, so don't forget to log in first. Log in your project. Quickly do that. Oh, sorry, log into your account. Till then, like while logging into your account, if you have any queries, just drop your queries in the comment section. Okay. So I hope everything is clear to all of you. Okay. Now click on this remix option. On the left side of your screen, you have this remix option. Now see, you can see this QR code on your screen. This will come when you will log into your account. After that, you can see this QR code. Now what you have to do is, you just have to simply open your smartphone's camera and you have to scan this QR code. Okay, let me just do it for you. Okay, I have to scan this QR code. Then it will show you some options. You have to just open it in browser, and you can open your project in your phone, and you can control it over there also, and you can move your phone in any direction to see the 3D view of your project or your play area. And if you are having VR glasses, so it will be more fun for you guys. So you can check it with that also. Okay, let me just stop my screen share. Yes. Okay, if you have already logged in, you just have to click on Remix and scan this QR code, and you can open the same project in your phone screen. So I hope everyone has completed the project and you have learned something new today. You are able to learn a few things about metaverse and virtual reality. If you are having any doubts, just bring your queries in the comment section. Okay, I hope everything is clear to all of you. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the session. You have learned something new today. Thank you very much for joining. So we will be back another with another live session on something new, something different next week again. So do subscribe to the channel to get the notification. See you guys tomorrow. Oh, sorry, not tomorrow, next week. Thank you very much once again for joining. Have a good day.